Hey, what's happening? This is JG with Kuryakyn, and today I'm going to tell you why you need to ditch your old bags and get geared up with our Momentum luggage. I'm really stoked to be talking to you guys about Momentum today. It has been my go-to luggage choice since we launched the line back in 2017. We started with these 3 bags right here, and now the lineup has grown to include a dozen or so options, all of which are going to share a lot of all-encompassing features, but you're also going to find some select features only found on a few bags. Starting from the top with construction, all Momentum bags are made from 1200 denier polyester textile that is UV and weather resistant, so they're really going to hold up to the elements. Additional features across the lineup include durable, fully metal D-rings, MOLLE modular attachment points, bungee storage, low-profile carrying handles, and plenty of internal and external storage compartments for all you neat freaks. Another thing all Momentum bags are going to include is a rain cover. And like the Rambler roll bag here, most of these bags are going to have a hidden storage compartment to hide the rain cover. So before you call us saying you didn't get one, make sure you've searched the entire perimeter of the bag because it's likely there. Now again, certain Momentum bags will have unique features that are not standard across the board, so it's important to do your research before making your decision. Some of those features include the rigid internal support for shape retention whether loaded or empty, padded electronics pockets, water bottle storage, removable shoulder carrying straps, and our signature quick mount sissy bar strap system that secures bags in seconds. Now when we were designing Momentum luggage, we took a lot of cues from you, from what you told us about our previous luggage designs. You wanted to get the bag on the bike quick so you could hit the road quick, and you didn't want to be bogged down by confusing straps or bulky bags. And you also wanted variety. Now there's no question that all of these bags have motorcyclists in mind, with a variety of secure, quick, and easy mounting options. But some of them are also going to be great on ATVs, UTVs, or whatever you want to strap them onto with the assortment of included straps. Now with our seat or luggage rack bags, when we say that we mean passenger seat obviously, these bags are intended to be mounted on a passenger seat with or without a sissy bar, or on a sissy bar or fender mounted luggage rack. Now most of our seat and luggage rack bags are going to feature this integrated quick mount adjustable strap system, and that can accommodate a lot of different sissy bar heights and styles, including whether you're running a backrest pad or not. This system really became popular on the freeloader bag, which is what you're seeing here. But a lot of people don't know that this same quick mount system is featured on our Vagabond bag, the Road Warrior bag, and a few others. And again, in addition to the quick mount sissy bar straps, most Momentum bags do include a full luggage strap kit as well. That said, I can tell you this freeloader bag has been my go-to bag for about 3 years now. I've ridden to Sturgis and back with it multiple times, fully loaded, using only this sissy bar strap kit, and I've been fine every time. But again, the included mounting strap kits give you plenty of options and a little extra assurance in the form of secure 4-point mounting on a variety of motorcycles. Now we talked about the MOLLE, we talked about the metal D-rings that are going to be situated across the perimeter of this bag. And one thing we mentioned common with these bags is external storage capabilities. And what we mean by that is with these different MOLLE attachment points, with these various D-rings, we really allow you to create a modular system that works to suit your needs. A bag like the Rambler, for instance, is a great little commuter bag on its own, but it can also be combined with bags like the Drifter, the Vagabond, the Road Warrior, and even a few others to create a modular system that really caters to any type of road trip. You guys want a variety? You got it. We got bags for baggers, we got bags for cruisers, we got bags for sport bikes, UTVs, ATVs. We even got bags for dogs. If you have any questions, hit us in the comments or DMs, and if you want more information on any of our Momentum luggage, look for our luggage playlist on YouTube.